Can you all see the screen? All of you? Is it being shared? Silent. Diya, Abigail, else Tony, Anya, Diya, Abigail, Tony, Anya, and is Diya online? Can you all see the screen, student? Is it being shared? Yes, for all of you all. Okay. Diya, were you there for simultaneous linear equation? Fine. Anyways, I'm going to do that. Okay, you can just attend. Just watch simultaneous linear equation. So I'll teach substitution elimination today, students. Cross multiplication tomorrow, if not tomorrow, on Monday. Okay, we'll start with this. Exercise 5A. 5A. Solve the following using the following simultaneous equation. See, the meaning of simultaneous equation is they'll give you two equations. Simultaneous equation is 2. X plus 2y is equals to 1, first equation. Second is 3x minus y is equals to 17. In both the equations, how many variables are there? What are the two variables we need to find? X and y. If 5x is equals to 10, this is the equation. How many variables are there, students? In this equation, how many variables? Only one variable x. How to find x value? 10 divided by x is equals to 2. That is simple linear equation. The meaning of simple is one equation, one variable. The meaning of simultaneous is two equations, two variables. In this, you will have three types. To find the value of x and y, we have three methods: substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. Eliminate, cross multiply. All three are easy, but cross multiplication is a bit lengthy. You need to draw a diagram and all those things. So today we'll try to complete substitution elimination. What do you mean by substitution, students? Can you tell me the meaning of substitution? What is substitution meaning? You have to replace a value. Now I've given this equation, and if I write x is equals to 4, what do you mean x is equals to 3? What do you have to do? Yes, tell me what you have to do. Which value we can replace here? In the main equation, which value we have to replace? X value is given. X is equals to. Can we replace this? 2 into 3 plus y is equals to 10. So y is equals to 10. 2 3s are 6. Will go to the other side. Is this clear? Substitution. The meaning of substitution is just to replace the value. Now, take the first equation. This is the question given. Whenever question is given, write it like this: x plus 2y. Take any one equation, students. I'll take this. From this, what we'll do is take the value of x. Let us substitute the value of x in the second equation. I just need x on the left hand side. What happens to plus 2? It goes to the other side and becomes. Did we get the value of x? Yeah, take this as equation 3. This as equation 1, equation 2. Now, fine. In the same question, I need to substitute the value of y. X plus 2y. If I need to substitute y, then how will I solve this question? What happens to x? What happens to x, students, if it goes to the other side? And what happens to 2? So can you see we got a value for x and y? So you can substitute any one. You can either take x value and substitute, or you can take y and substitute. So which one doesn't have denominator here, x or y? Which one doesn't have denominator? The x doesn't have any denominator. Y has a denominator, right? So if I try to substitute here, I'll get a denominator, and calculation will be simple or easy. Tough. Calculation will be tough. That is what you have to think. Not just simply randomly take x and y substitute. Think whichever doesn't have denominator, let us substitute. So I'll substitute x. I don't need y. I'll substitute x. Write the equation. Substitute x is equals to 1 minus 2y in equation. From which equation we got this value? First or second? From first. If you take it from first, you have to substitute in the second equation. Remember, don't write it in equation 1. You won't get the answer. So we are taking x value from the first equation, substitute in the second equation. Substitute x is equals to 1 minus 2y in equation 2. Don't write anything when I'm teaching. Don't write, students. All of you listen. So there are a lot of questions. When I'm teaching, don't write. Lot of questions are there. You all can solve it later. Equation 2. Now take equation 2. 3x minus y is equals to 17. In place of x, what I should write? 1 minus 2y. Minus y is equals to 17. How do I solve this equation? Open the bracket. What do you get? 3 minus y is equals to 17. Delisha, you have to answer, Delisha. Even if you're silent now, you won't understand this. Unmute the call and answer, Delisha. Are you there online? Delisha, respond. If not, I'll remove you from the meeting. Why can't you answer then? Why are you silent? Answer this. You don't answer anything. Even in test also, you write wrong answers and you submit. What is minus 6y minus 1y? What is minus 6 minus 1, students? Minus 7y. So I'll keep minus 7y as it is. Shift this 13. If it goes to the other side, what do you get? Minus 3. 17 minus 3 is 14. What happens to minus y minus 7, students? What is y value? Did we find x and y both the values or only one value? Only one, right? Only y's value. See, this is not x value, students. Remember, this is not x value. This is just x equation. So once you get this y value, write another statement. Substitute y is equals to minus 2 in first equation or second equation. Anything is fine. In first or second, I'll write y in equation 1. Equation 1. Take the first equation. X plus 2y is equals to 1. Y value is minus 2. X plus 2 into minus 2 is equals to 1. When you open the bracket, you get 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 goes to the other side. 1 plus 4. What's the answer? X is equals to 5. Is this clear? Substitution method. Any doubts? Do you all have any doubts? Okay, complete it. Don't copy. Once again, don't copy. Just look at the first two steps. Do it on your own. Okay. Yeah, we'll do the next. Okay. Now the one question we'll solve using substitution, then we'll start elimination. Which one shall we take? Substitution. Sixth question. Shall we take the sixth one? Other questions, you all can do it, students. Other questions are same. I'll take the sixth one. Is equals to y. What's the second equation? 2x plus 3y is equals to 0. Right? Now, which is first? This is first equation, second equation. Which one shall we substitute? Do we need to rearrange or already is it rearranged? From the first equation, which one shall we substitute? X or y? Can you respond? See, if you're not responding, I'll end the meeting, students. You'll do it on your own. I'll end the meeting. Already y value is given, right? Why do you want to take x? What is y value given? Already it is given, right? So why can't we substitute? What statement have to write? Substitute. Oh, that's it. You don't have to arrange anything. Already y value is given. Think, student, just don't blindly answer something. Think y is already given in equation 2. Take equation 2, 2x plus 3. In place of y, what should I write? 7 minus plus 1 is equals to, which one gets cancelled? 3 and 3. Open the bracket, solve this, find the value of x and y. So think before you'll do it. This is substitution method. That's it. Two questions enough. Next we'll start elimination. Students done, completed. Respond or still doing it. Done. What about Delicia? Dia, Delicia. Dia and Delicia, can you unmute and answer, students? Okay. Explain this. Yes. Tell me the next step, Delicia. When you 3 gets cancelled, when you open the bracket, what do you do? Be quick. Where 14, 3 and 3 gets cancelled. How can you get 14? Plus, what are the like terms? Minus 4x. What is 2x minus 4x? Minus 2x plus 8, 7 plus 1 is equals to 0. Minus 2x, right? Minus 2x is negative. Go, shift it to the other side. What do you get? Plus 2x. What is x value? What happens to x? 8 divided by x is 4. Where will you substitute this 4? First equation or second? You can substitute in anything, in any one delta. Substitute equation 4. Substitute x is equals to 4 in which one? In equation 1. 7 minus 4 into, what should I write? Yes, solve this question. Be quick. Yes, what happens to 3? What happens to 3? It's in the denominator. If it goes to the other side, 3y. I think you didn't do. You haven't done still. This is the only way to do it, Delisha. I think you haven't done it. See, which equation seem to be easy? First equation or second equation for calculation? Second equation. First equation has a denominator. Then why do you want to take? Yeah, why do you want to take first one, Delisha? Take the second equation. Substitute in equation 2. Tell me what you get. I'll write the equation. Now answer. What is the value of x? 4 plus. Until you complete, don't mute the call. Until you complete, don't mute. Complete it. Into 4. Next. 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 What are the like terms? You don't know how to solve? Right. What is 8 plus 1? Answer, Delicia. Like a small kid, I'm asking you each and every step. Why don't you unmute and answer? 3y is equals to plus 9 goes to the other side. If you know, you answer. If not, you tell me, you just leave. I'll take special class and I'll teach you. You want to attend or no? Or then tell me the value properly. What, like small kid, I'm asking you each and every step. What's the next one? So what's the answer for y? Y is equals to, what happens to minus? Shall I just erase that? Minus 3. To answer this, why do you take so long? Like a first standard kid, I'm asking each and every step. Others completed x and y. All of you got the value. Any once or twice I can ask students. Every day if I keep asking, you'll give wrong answers. What's the point of attending? So substitution is done. You take any question, the same thing. Find the value of x or y, substitute, and find. Now next, elimination method. Yes, Delisha, what's the meaning of elimination? Next is elimination, student. What is eliminating? Eliminating meaning is to cancel it out. To cancel or reduce it, student. Basically to make it zero. That is known as elimination. To make it zero. Fine. If I write 3x, what should I, if I take 3 here, what should I add and subtract with 3 so that it becomes 0 plus 3 or minus 3? Minus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now I have 3x. What should I substitute? Multiply or add or divide? So, so that 3x becomes 0. Should I add or subtract? I should subtract 3x with another 3x. Right? So from this we got to know that the value should be same, students. 3x and 3x value should be same. One is plus and the other one is minus. If both are like this, you can just cancel it out. Is this clear? Understood what is elimination meaning? Basically making any one variable 0. Any one variable 0. Now look at the first question. X plus 2y. And in elimination method, remember constant should be on the left hand side. A variable should be on the left hand side. Constant should be on the right hand side. X plus 2y is equals to 1. Tell me the second equation. What is given? 3x. Yeah, tell me 3x minus y is equals to 17. Which one shall we eliminate? Shall we eliminate x or y? Which one? Anything we can eliminate any value x or y. Why? If you want to eliminate y, they should be equal. Both of them should be equal. Y value. But what are the values here, students? Do you think they're equal? Are they equal? No. So when they're not equal, what about the sign? Are they same or opposite? So signs are fine. Signs are fine. When they're not equal, what you do is for the first 2y, the coefficient is 2. Multiply the 2 in the second equation. And for the second equation, what is the coefficient of y? Multiply that 1 here. Rewrite the equation. What do you get when you rewrite? Multiply. Is it clear, Delicia? Did you understand Dia and Delicia? Right? Okay, now the same question, x plus 2y is equals to 1. 3x minus y is equals to 17. If I want to eliminate x, students, what should I multiply the first equation? Are both same or different? Same or different? Different. What about the sign? Both are different or same? Same. So any one value you have to multiply with negative number. Okay, minus. So what is given here? 3 is given. What should I multiply? You can multiply by minus 3. What about the first one? What is the coefficient? So multiply by positive number. Any one should be multiplied by negative and the other one by positive. Now look at this part. Multiply 1. What do you get? X plus 2y is equals to 1. Next one. Next 6x minus 2y is equals to 17 into 2 is. Can you see 2x and 2y? We can cancel it out. It becomes 0. What is 6x plus 1x? 7x. 34 plus 1? 35. This is easier than substitution method. Only thing is you should know how to multiply the coefficient. Okay, this is for x, students. Then what will be the value of x? 35 divided by x is equals to. Okay, now y. Coming to y. Multiply this. What do you get? Minus 3x. Multiply minus 6y is equals to. Next. Multiply with 1. 3x. 17. Which one gets cancelled here? Okay, what is 6y minus 1y? Minus y is equals to 14. Y is equals to 14 divided by. Is this clear? What is minus 6 minus 1, Bhargavi? Which is greater? This is not multiplication. We should put the greater sign. Yeah, we need to put the greater sign. So y is equals to, are we getting minus 2? Did you understand both? How to eliminate x and y both together? Any doubts in this, students? Any doubts? See, but you shouldn't do it like this. You have to use any one method. I mean, any one variable you have to eliminate. So, did we eliminate x here? I mean, y is eliminated. What's the value of x we got? X is equals to. So, what you'll do is substitute x is equals to 5 in any one equation. Which equation shall we take? Equation 1. Take the first equation. X plus 2y is equals to 1. 5 plus 2y is equals to 1. 5 goes to the other side. 2y is equals to 1 minus 5. Y is equals to 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Divide this 2. Are we getting the same answer? So I taught you both how to eliminate x and y. And you shouldn't eliminate both. Any one you should eliminate. The other one you have to use substitute. All of you understood? Elimination. Any doubts? Have any doubts? Bhargavi, Delicia, Aileen, Kia. Okay, start doing it, students. Just a minute. Is Lemula online? Lemula, Adia, Tanishka, and Ivania. Yeah, good evening, students. Good evening. What? Mm, Log in at 6:30. All four of you. Can you log in at 6:30? Yes, attend at 6:30. I'll conduct test. Log in after 20 minutes. You all can leave. Fine. Others completed. Even Mariana. Mariana, log in at 6:30. Mariana. I'll conduct test at 6:30. You can leave now. And for 9th standard, yesterday I gave you portions, right? These students, 9. Yesterday I had given portions. Okay, after the class I'll conduct students. For you all it will be offline. Okay, just because I'm taking class now. Cherisha, log in at 6:30. Cherisha, log in at 6:30. I'll send the paper at 8 o'clock. 8 or 8:30. 8 o'clock I'll send it for 9. Okay, complete this. Yes, students, done, completed. Respond, all of you are completed. Elimination method done. So what's the rule for elimination method? The constant should be on the right hand side and variable should be on the left hand side. Shall we try the next one? All of you will respond, done. Okay, next. Let me take the same sixth question. 7 minus 4x divided by 3 is equals to y. And we have 2x plus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0. What's the rule I told you all students? Alphabet should be on the left hand side or right hand side? Respond. All of you will respond. Alphabet should be on left hand side or right hand side? Alphabets and constant. Right hand side. So here there shouldn't be any denominator. This is not substitution method. This is elimination. There shouldn't be any denominator. Shift this 3 to the other side. What do you get? 7 minus 4x is equals to 3y, right? So shift this minus 4y to the other side, students. What do we get? 4x plus 3y is equals to 7. Or can I rearrange like this? 4x plus 3y is equals to 7. Did we get variables one side, constant other side? And this equation, okay, let me take 4x plus 3y is equals to 7. Take the next equation. Below 4x, I should write 2x plus 3y. What happens to plus 1? Where do you shift this plus 1, students? To the right hand side. It becomes minus 2. That's it. These are the two equations. Which one shall we eliminate? X or y? So what you have to multiply? What you have to multiply the first equation? Plus or minus? Both are plus, minus. The second equation? 4. Complete this question? Yes, complete. Last question, students. Completed. Fine, Ananya. Check the answer in textbook. Others completed? Okay, just a minute. Fine. What's the answer, students? What's the value for x and y? Unmute and answer. When you multiply, what do you get? 4 into minus 8x minus next minus these two gets cancelled. What is minus 6y plus 12y? For this you get minus y is equals to out of 9. 18 divided by 6. Minus 3. Then what you have to write, students? Substitute y is equals to minus 3 in equation. Which equation is easy? First or second? Take second. 2 into 2x plus 3 into minus 3 plus 1 is equals to 0. 2x minus 9 plus 1 is equals to 0. What is minus 9 plus 1? Minus. Very good. Minus goes to the other side. 8. And 2 will get divided. What's the answer? So substitution is done. Elimination is done. I've done 4 questions. You all practice 1 or 2 questions. Okay. Through this method, you can do up to 7 students. Up to 10 questions you can complete. This 16, 17 is important. I'll teach you tomorrow. Is it clear? All of you? Okay. Do one thing. Look here. I'll end the before that. I'll send the test paper. No, after half an hour or 1 hour, I'll send the test paper. I'll just give substitution. Can you just tell me the chapter, students? Test chapters? No, no. In simultaneous linear equation, I'll just give question 1 to 8. Is it clear? Question 1 to question 8. Then indices, how many questions? What are the question I told? Question 1 to question 10. Then after that, I had given some more. Question 16, question 16, 23, and 24. Next, what is the next chapter? Mean. Mean and median, how many questions? Question 1 to 50. Make a note of this. When shall I send the paper, students? Do you all need time for revision? Should I send it now or tomorrow morning? When you see, without preparing, just for namesake, you all do the test and send. It's of no use. Almost 2.5 chapters we have completed. Okay, so take your time. Today you'll practice all these questions and shall I send tomorrow morning? Okay, Delicia, Kia, better practice it, students. Delicia and Kia. So make a note of these questions for simultaneous linear equation, question 1 to 8. And it will be offline class. Okay, actually I wanted to conduct online, but you all asked for the special class. So I don't have time. I have to conduct for 10th now. Simultaneous linear equation, question 1 to question 8. Indices. If not, I'll send the pic. I'll send the pic in the group. Okay, then in simultaneous linear equation, one topic is pending. That is cross multiplication. We'll do that on Monday. We'll teach you on Monday. Okay. So no class. Yeah, no class tomorrow, students. Tomorrow simultaneous. Yeah. So no class tomorrow. Again on Monday. Log in at 7:30. Right? Yes, I'll send the test paper tomorrow. I want all of you to complete and send. If you're sending it on Monday and Tuesday, I won't correct it. Okay? Yes, you all can leave. That's it for today. You all